Tom here. Today we're looking at the top reasons your check engine light might be on and what it could cost to fix things. Every year, CarMD shares insights on the cost trends for check engine light repairs. In 2024, they found costs are up, partly due to higher parts prices. Ignoring this light can lead to bigger, costlier issues. CarMD urges you to stay on top of car maintenance to avoid hefty repair bills down the line. A shocking 49% of drivers have a dashboard warning light on, with check engine lights accounting for 20%, nearly double since the last survey. Let's dive into CarMD's 2024 Top 10 Check Engine Light Causes. At the top, replacing a catalytic converter will cost you about $1,304. Other common repairs include oxygen sensors, ignition coils and spark plugs, and mass airflow sensors. Even replacing a fuel injector hits around $446. Noticeably, a loose gap cap gremlin has fallen out of the top 5 for the first time since 2011, a real sign of changing times. Also, older cars like the 2007 models are more likely to trigger check engine warnings, with potentially pricey fixes on the horizon. Remember, proactive maintenance is key. Keep your car healthy and driving worry-free. To learn more, visit us at CarPro.com, and thank you for your time.